Hi, my name is Sif and welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to build the drive shaft. This is the picture of the shaft and this is how it looks like in the differential gearbox. So let's start by creating a new file, part design. Let's select the front plane and let's begin our sketching. So what we are going to do now is we are going to build the form of the shaft. First, we need a center line, and the dimension of the center line will be 116.5. And now we are going to use some lines to build the form. First I will build the form without dimensioning, and after that I will dimension all the lines and all the angles that we need. Let's go. Now we will start dimensioning. Now we have all the dimensioning that we need, so let's build our form. Exit the sketch, and now we are going to use the feature of revolve boss or base. And there we go. Now we have the form that we need in the shaft, so let's select this face and let's select the sketch. Good. But what we need now is a center line. The center line should be on this way. Okay. We need a circle. The center of the circle is the big center here, and the diameter of this circle should be 21.5. Let's make it for construction. So just quit the dimension, select circle and make it for construction. Now what we need to do, we should create a circle. The circle should be, the center of the circle should be on this circle here. So let's select the center, and the diameter of this circle should be 6.4. Let's create another circle on the center is the same circle here, and let's add a relation between this circle, which is already selected, this one, and the center line, and let's make it symmetric. Good. The distance between the center line and this center is 3.8. Now let's select the two circles and let's make them for construction. Perfect. Now we have all the elements that we need to build our sketch. The sketch should be based on three-point arcs. The first 3-point arc should be on this point. Make sure there is a white icon next to the pencil. As you can see, it means that you choose the intersection between this circle and this one. So let's select it. Good. Select the other one. Always make sure that there is the white icon, and the second point should be anywhere on the circle. Now we have our first 3-point arc. Second one should be here. On this side you don't need to have the white icon because all the elements here are on the same sketch. On the first arc we needed the white icon because the first circle and the second one are not on the same sketch. The first circle, this circle, is on this sketch that we are using now, and the second one is just a 3D circle. Now let's create the second arc. So as I said, we don't need the white icon, so let's create our circle just somewhere here. Good. And somewhere here. Perfect. The third point is on this circle. The points here are automatically given as an intersection. Now we need a third arc from this point to this one, and let's select this circle. Good. The fourth arc is from this point to this one, and the third point is on this circle. Perfect. Now we have our sketch and we have the form that we need for the teeth. So let's exit the sketch and let's use the extrude cut feature. There you go. Perfect. The cut should be blind and the depth is 21.5. Now we need some fillets, so I'm going to select this edge and this one. Fillet, and the fillet should be 0.25. Good. Now I'm going to select this edge and select the fillet. The radius should be 3.25. Make sure you deselect this tangent propagation because we don't need any more fillets, so you deselect this one and click OK. Now we have the form that we need. Now what we are going to do is that we will repeat this form here on the other side. So in order to have the same form on the other side, we need to select a plane. The plane should be on the middle, and after creating the plane, we will need the mirror pattern to have the same exact form on the other side. So before creating a plane, we need to select a point. So let's select a sketch. The plane that we will use is the front plane. Let's change the view. This one. Good. The point that we are going to select should be on the middle of the form. So the middle should be on 58.25. So let's create the point. The point should be on this axis, somewhere over here, and the distance between this point, and the point that we need is 58.25. Good. Now let's exit the sketch. To create a new plane, you should go on Insert, Reference Geometry, Plane. The first reference is right plane. The second reference, good. Second reference should be the point. Okay, now we have the plane that we need. Perfect. Now let's go on Insert, Pattern Mirror, and let's select the mirror. So the mirror face is this plane, and the features the mirror is the calyx strut and the two fillets. There we go. We have the same exact form on the other side. Perfect. So now we need a circular pattern to repeat the calyx strut around these two faces. You can go on Insert, Pattern Mirror, or you can just find it over here, Linear Pattern, a circular pattern. There you go. The teeth should be repeated 24 times. It's already selected because I tried it. The features and faces to select, you can just select the mirror. Make sure the geometry pattern is selected, and select direction, which is this one. Okay, good. Now we are going to add something here, so let's select this face, sketch, change the view, this one. Okay, let's select a circle. Circle should have 21.5 diameter. Good. Okay, let's exit the sketch. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to have a extruded cut. Exit the sketch first. Extruded cut. The extruded cut should be blind. The depth should be the same. And make sure you select this flip side to cut, and the degree here should be 45. Let's look how it goes. So as you can see, this extruded cut gives us a good looking end to the shaft. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Now we have everything that we need on the shaft. Let's end this with some coloring. So here we end the third video of the differential gearbox. We just created the shaft, and in the next video we are going to create another piece. So see you in the next video. Peace out.